Open Blender. Wait for it to load. Okay, click off the string. Do A, X, enter. Delete everything in the scene. Shift A to add new objects. We're going to go over here to Mesh, Cube, re-add the cube that we just deleted, and we're going to turn on nice edges. So we're going to come up here, click this drop down in the corner that says Shading, and come down and click Cavity. And that's going to turn these nice edges. Really fast, we're going to make another cube. It's the exact same size. Press S to scale. Scale that down a little bit, and we're going to do SZ to scale it up. So SZ, scale that up. Drag to the right to make it taller. Okay, now it intersects the top and bottom. Now, if we want to make a hole in the middle, all we have to do is select this outside one. Go over here to the blue wrench, click on Add Modifier. Come here to Boolean under Generate, and we're going to click on this eyedropper. Come up here, select the cube, and we can hide it now. Now we have a perfect cutout of this cube. To make this even nicer, let's go ahead and hit Apply. And we can get rid of this by pressing X. Now select the cube again. We're going to add a new modifier. Under Generate, click on Bevel. Decrease this to 0.05 and add 3 segments. Now we have this very nice looking edge. Now to make it look a little bit better, let's go ahead and turn off the cavity again under Shading, and right click and go Shade Smooth. Ooh, look at those edges. Okay, let's 3D print this. So select the object, go to Export, STL. Make sure to choose Selection Only. We're going to choose our 3D printing one and call this Cube 1. Hit Export. Open Cura. Fantastic. Click the file icon, navigate to our 3D printing folder, and click on Cube 1. Open. Let's go here and change this scale because it freaked out to just 100%. And look at that. And we probably don't want it that small, so let's change each side to 20 millimeters. Perfect. Come over here to Quality, choose 0.15, that's good. Walls, we can leave those. Infill, we want to go quick, so we'll do 10. And we don't need any build plate adhesion, the rest is fine. So we hit Slice. Done, let's check it out, only 13 minutes. Preview it, looks perfect. Save to disk, and we're good to go.